Good morning. It's April 21st, 2023. Found this little guy yesterday. I don't know what to do with him. I would love to try to help him. He was literally off my doorsteps. I don't even know what it is, but he's a cutie and I feel so bad for him. Look at him. Hi, little guy. How can I help you? See how small he is? What can I feed him? Don't know. Guys, leave a comment. See what I can do for this little guy. I feel so bad for him. I don't even know what. Does he need a warm lamp? Look at him. Does he need a heat lamp? I don't know what to feed him. Does he need milk, warm milk, water? I am in Texas. I am in the country. Let me show you my chickens real quick. I love them. They're so cute. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. They're about gonna be 3 months old. And these are my other babies. Hopefully, as soon as they grow, look at this little one. As soon as they grow, I will let them out. They're still babies, so I don't want them to get hurt. Hi, little guy. You're gonna fall. Yes, you are. Anyways, let me know what I should do with the little baby bird. I feel so bad for him. Thank you.